G'day guys, my name's Nick and this is my channel Low Range Nick, where I do videos about four driving, accessory fitting and maintenance for your four drive vehicle. So in today's video I'm going to show you this new product from Oricom. So this is their battery monitor, so their Bluetooth battery monitor, and I'll show you exactly what you get in the kit, how to set it up and all the features. Okay guys, so this is the packaging that the Oricom Battery Sense Monitor comes in. So on the back it's got all the details about the unit and all the things that it can test and measure. So opening the box up, little clip, and here is the main battery monitor. So on the back you can see you got your positive terminal, there's your negative, the black, so that'll just go between your positive and negative terminals on your battery. And then in here we've got a little instruction manual which will give us all the details about how to set it up and all the things that it can measure and do. So it's a very easy install, just connecting two connections to your battery, so you power on your earth, and then you'll be able to download the app and go through all the tests that it can do, which is pretty cool. So I think installing one of these Oricom battery monitors will probably be the easiest mod you ever do to your car. So it's as simple as a power to the power side, to the positive terminal, and your negative to your earth side, so to your negative terminal, and then just sticking the double-sided tape onto your battery, keeping it nice and neat. There you go guys, so I've got my power wire onto the positive terminal and my earth wire onto the negative terminal on the battery. I've just stuck that down there with the double-sided tape. So now I've fitted the battery monitor to the vehicle. I'll just jump into the app store, search for Oricom Battery Sense, and then the app comes up, and then we can download this to the phone. And now it should auto connect, searching for our Bluetooth devices, so it'll search for our Bluetooth battery monitor, pick it up, and then you get an instant display right there of your battery's voltage straight away. So that's how easy it is. It auto connects every time you're within range. So having the battery monitor on the vehicle is perfect for those times that your vehicle's sitting around in the garage and you're not using it that often. It's a perfect way of monitoring and keeping track of your batteries, making sure they're fully charged, so when you jump in your car it's going to start for you every single time. So now we're in the Oricom Battery Sense Monitor app. So here you can see your live battery voltage, battery capacity, cranking voltage and battery usage. You can also see a little graph here of voltage over time. Under the cranking heading, we can view the test results of our automatic cranking test, which it carries out automatically every time you start the car. Under this heading, we have a charge system test which you can carry out, which tests the vehicle's alternator and charging system. Under the trip heading, it'll automatically record the time and duration of every trip. Okay guys, so these battery monitors can go on any vehicle battery. So you could have one on your main battery, one on your secondary battery. You could even have one on your boat battery and one on your motorbike, and you can monitor up to 4 at one time. So anytime you're within Bluetooth range, it'll auto connect and update you live on how those batteries are and their condition. Well, there you go guys, so I've installed battery monitors on my main battery and on my secondary battery in the back, and I can monitor both of those batteries live from the Oricom app. So having that app there, being able to monitor your cranking, charging, and also the trips that you go on is really cool. So you always know the state of charge of your batteries, and you're always going to know that when you turn that key your car's going to start. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more four driving and accessory fitting videos. Cheers guys.